Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate flyer artwork on VistaPrint templates step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the VistaPrint website. Log into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, click on the Products menu. Select Flyers from the drop-down options. Choose the flyer size and type that fits your needs. Browse through the available templates presented on the screen. Click on a template that catches your attention. Now, you'll enter the design editor. Begin by uploading your artwork by clicking on the Upload button. Ensure your artwork meets VistaPrint's size and quality requirements. Once uploaded, position your artwork on the flyer template. Adjust the dimensions if necessary to fit the layout properly. Take a moment to review the color scheme and other elements. Check for any text that may need to be customized. Add any additional images or graphics if desired. Preview the flyer by clicking the Preview button. Make sure all elements are correctly aligned and visible. Once satisfied, proceed to the next step by clicking on Next. Review your design one last time in the confirmation screen. When everything looks good, click on Add to Cart. Continue to the checkout process when you're ready. Finalize your purchase and watch for the confirmation of your order. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.